Welcome back guys to another video with your girl Unruly Shana. So you know me just fry some Spratt, some finger licking tasty Spratt. As I can see them though. Yeah man, them fry pretty and beautiful. And them finger licking good you know guys. So yeah. So me just show you them there. So yeah man. Them are my onion, my carrot I'm going to use to make the sauce and a vinegar. But people before me, ouch, my foot, ouch. So yes guys, before me bring on the go. What you say brother? I come look for the one you want. Eh? Oh the fat one I say you want. The fat jelly, alright. May I have that for you man. Alright. So guys, I'm going to serve one jelly. I'm saying I want a fat jelly. So yes, let me chop. You don't want a straw, right?
No, sir.
You want no straw. Okay, no, what if I need it? Want to what if I but you want a nice enough. Nothing but a little bit? Little muscle, man. Just leave them. Clean them on. Where's your one? You want small butter cake? Yeah, chocolate or strawberry? Yeah? I don't think me after them go. I'm not so the best of you biscuit lemon puff. Exactly, we don't run for it. I don't line on you neither, no? I don't line on you. Olive say one new juice or something. Yeah, alright, man.
That's your own school then?
Yeah, man. Your own school.
Whoa, look here. Go that car.
As I smoke up and drink up, we're going to party tonight, yeah. You want me? You good?
Oh, some patches back there.
Oh, yes.
You want some patches there?
Yeah, that's true. So true. I don't know why they mash them up and them the house they only did one repair.
Yeah.
So yes, peeps. Oi. So yes, my beautiful peeps. Me there. Me not finish my dog house yet. Me don't only have the bottom to do, but me don't want to finish the bottom here, so me gonna move it and put it over the corner there. So yeah. So yes, peeps. Let me show you guys why I said you guys must farm. And yes, my peeps, me start build my house. Start build my house already. Me I gonna update on that. But anyway, guys, let me tell you something. You see, farming are one of the best thing. And you see, for this year, for all the people that will never farm and don't farm and go on like farming, no good. Let me tell you something, man. Farming is one of the best. Look at my pepper there when I pick off of my pepper tree. Could Look at pepper. And guys, look at nice, lovely Scotch bonnet pepper. And them a pepper, guys, me used to use to make my video. My eating video when I eat my food at the time. Look at them, look at them pretty. So guys, what I do now, I pick my own pepper them to go escovitch my fish. You see, instead of me have to go buy pepper, you know, I just go and pick some pepper. And guys, the pepper.
Wow. Yeah, so, you know, I said little girl in forward with.
So yes, please, this is the pickle I'm making to put on the fish.
Where is that?
This is it. No, I look at video. Me small talk here. So this is it, guys. So see here now, guys, it actually finished. So I'm just gonna turn it off and let it stay for a minute or two, and then I start pouring it on the fish.
Psalm 7. Lord my God, in you I trust. You are my shield and my protection. Deliver me from those who pursue me. Guide my steps with your powerful hand and keep me safe from those who would seek to harm me. Search the hearts of the righteous, Lord, and see their thoughts and intentions. You are the just judge who knows the truth of every soul. You are the protector of those who suffer and the strength of those who are weak. Rise, O Lord, and stand against those who bring harm. Expose any hidden sin, that all things may come to light. Grant your peace, grace, and mercy to the righteous, that they may rest secure in you. May the plans of the wicked be turned back upon them, while those who seek you find safety and refuge. I praise you, God, for your unchanging justice and faithfulness. You are the defender of all who call upon your name. You are the light in the shadows, the shelter in every storm,